In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI on Instagram, a feature that's creating a lot of buzz and excitement. First things first, you'll need to ensure you have the latest version of the Instagram app. Whether you're an iOS user or navigating an Android device, head over to your App Store or Google Play Store. Simply search for Instagram and check if there's an update available. Keeping your app current is crucial, as the Meta AI feature is relatively new and may require the latest updates to function properly. Now that you've updated your app, open Instagram and log into the account you plan on using. For those managing multiple accounts, this step is particularly important. The Meta AI feature might not be available on all accounts just yet, so make sure to double check that the correct account is active and logged in. Next, you'll want to locate the Meta AI icon or chat. Begin by tapping the search tab, which is easily identifiable as the magnifying glass icon, or check the top of your feed. You're looking for a vibrant circle icon with a blue-purple gradient that may be labeled Meta AI. If you don't spot it there, head over to your direct messages by tapping the paper plane icon or the message icon. In the direct messages section, use the search bar to type Meta AI. If it appears in your results, select it to start a conversation. Once you've accessed the chat, you're ready to start interacting with Meta AI. Feel free to ask questions or prompt it with tasks such as suggest a caption for my travel photo, or if available, use the command imagine a sunset beach scene to explore image generation features. Keep in mind that the availability of certain commands like imagine may depend on your region. If you want to make full use of the AI, consider adding Meta AI to a group chat. Open the group chat you wish to enhance, tap the group name, and select the option to add people. Search for Meta AI and add it to your group. Once in the chat, you can easily summon its assistants by typing @Meta AI, allowing you to engage in a variety of enhanced conversations. By following these detailed instructions, you'll be able to harness the power of Meta AI on Instagram both effectively and creatively. Explore the possibilities, enjoy the new features, and have fun engaging with this innovative integration. Thank you for watching, and happy Instagramming!